Hello, this is Algebra 2, topic 2-3, using the laws of logs to solve equations. So, basically, if each term of the equation has a log expression, we want to condense each side to form one log expression, and then we're going to use this property. So, if the log of the base of m equals the log of the base of n, well, because these logs are the same, then m equals n. Should be pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and apply it to example number 1. The log base 7 of this equals the log base 7 of that. Well, because these are both log base 7s, we can basically eliminate them and just say that 3x plus 5 equals 8x minus 12. Move our x's to one side by subtracting 3x. 5 equals 5x minus 12. Add 12 to both sides. We get that 17 equals 5x. Take 17 and divide it by 5. And we get that x equals 3.4. Moving on to number 2. Now, these are not set up the way our property explains. This 3 here is not following the rules. So what we need to do is we need to go ahead and condense this. So this 3, I can go ahead and turn it into an exponent. So we get that the log base 2 of x cubed with the log base 2 of 27. Now that they are the same, we can go ahead and cancel them, meaning x cubed equals 27. Well, 27 is 9 and 3. 9 is 3 and 3. So x cubed must, x cubed must be 3 cubed, so x equals 3. Moving on to example number 3. Well, this time the left side is condensed, but the right side is not. We're going to go ahead and adjust this first. So the log base 2 of x equals the log base 2 of 3 squared plus the log base 2 of 5, which I know 3 squared is 9. Now this plus means I'm going to multiply. The log base 2 of x equals the log base 2 of 9 times 5, which I know is 45. So we've gotten down to the log base 2 of x equals the log base 2 of 45. Well, we can go ahead and eliminate our logs, and we get that x equals 45. Moving on to example number 4. Again, we need to condense. The right side is good, the left side is not. Minus, we turn to divide. So the log base 8 of 48 over x equals the log base 8 of 4. Well, our logs are the same, so they cancel. So 48 over x equals 4. Multiply both sides by x to get rid of it. So 48 equals 4x. We divide both sides by 4. we get that 12 equals x. Well, now we're working on example number 5. We've got to condense all of that. So first, this plus means I'm going to multiply, and this minus means I'm going to divide. So the log base 7 of x times x divided by 3 equals the log base 7 of 12. Well, x times x is x squared. So the log base 7 of x squared over 3 equals the log base 7 of 12. We can go ahead and cancel our logs. X squared over 3 equals 12. Multiply both sides by 3, and we get that x squared equals 36, and the square root of 36 equals 6. So x equals 6. And now for example number 6. Now, example number 6 looks long and confusing. It's really not that bad. We just have to break it down into its different parts. So on this side, I have no numbers in front of my logs, so I can just go ahead and use division. So the log base 2 of 2x minus 1 over x plus 5. That's what I get on this side. Now on this side, it's going to take me a little bit more work. See, I've got this 1/2, which needs to go to the 36. I've got this 2, which needs to go to the 2. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. So we're talking the log base 2 of 36 to the 1/2 minus the log base 2 of 2 squared. Well, raising something to the 1/2 power, we've already discussed, is the same as the square root. So the log base 2 of the square root of 36 minus log base 2 of, well, 2 squared is 4. And the square root of 36 is, of course, 6. So the log base 2 of 6 minus the log base 2 of 4. And now we can use this minus sign, use division. The log base 2 of 6 over 4. Which simplified even further, log base 2 of 1.5. And all this equals what's over here. Log base 2 of 2x minus 1 over x plus 5. Well, we can eliminate our logs, and so we just get that 2x minus 1 over x plus 5 equals 1.5. Well, fractions make things difficult, so we're going to go ahead and multiply both sides by x plus 5, so that we get 2x minus 1 equals 1.5 times x plus 5. So 2x minus 1 equals 1.5x plus 7.5. Go ahead and subtract 1.5x from both sides. We get that 0.5x minus 1 equals 7.5. Add 1 to both sides. 0.5x equals 8.5. And 8.5 divided by 0.5 is 17. x equals 17. Now, I showed a lot of different steps on these, especially here. I broke it down to every single small step. You are more than welcome to combine some of these steps. For instance, if you already know that 36 to the 1/2 was the square root of 36, you could have went ahead and wrote that here and saved yourself a step here on these 3 steps. So, they won't all require this much work. You can shorten a few steps. Just make sure that if you do so, you're making sure that you do it accurately. Good luck on your assignment and have a good day.